Hello viewers, I am Akashak with you. In this video, you are going to learn customize live text effect. Let's start the class. First, I will take a text as my choice. You can take your choice. I will write a 2 letter and set a perfect ratio, the font size and the font background. I will take C and T. Now select that both bold or black. Bold is the best. Now I will place that in the middle and take a new fill and take a gray color. Now I will duplicate the fill. In the appearance, take and duplicate that. Take it bottom. And select a different color. I will take purple and go to path, offset path. Make 10 or as you wish. Now go to distort and transform. Horizontally and vertically. I will take 1 and copies 10 copies or as you wish. Now press OK and take a new fill or duplicate. Take duplicate and take down that. And take a new color, some lighter color. Take a light color and transform again, horizontally and vertically 1 mm and 10 or 15 copies as your choice, and press OK again. Duplicate again and same way take new color, distort or transform. Vertically, horizontally 1 mm and take some copies as your choice, and then press OK. Set up the color. The 3 different fill will be different color, and choose the fill color. Now you can write anything with the text. This effect will be applied in any text. You can write anything here. Take a background and make a different color. you can make this more gorgeous. Take a new fill and place it bottom and different color. Offset path and 10 mm. Disorder transform horizontally and vertically 1 into 1 mm and take more than before. Tick on the preview because you can see that what happens. The copies will be more than before. Now your live text is ready. You can apply it anywhere. So thank you so much, beginner, and stay with me. Please like and share this video. Every day I will come with a new video and new trick. Goodbye. Stay safe and stay home.